Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Super excited for today's video. It is all about the Petal Edition set from my favorite brand, Westman Atelier. Okay, so we've got 3 products to dig into. I'm gonna be giving you comparison swatches for each one of those products, and we're gonna be finishing my face off. So if you wanna see how this came together and what this super cute thing is on my head, just keep watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. I appreciate it when you do. Now let's jump in. Okay guys, before we jump into this Westman Atelier video, of course I have to talk about my Breezy Tee product of the day. I'm rocking our Bordeaux twist stretch headband that I absolutely love. I think this is the perfect shade for the fall, really rich shade. It is stretchy, so it can accommodate a lot of hair. Incredibly soft on the skin, primarily made of viscose, which is essentially wood pulp. And it's just a beautiful hair accessory. We do make all our products ourselves, and the fun thing about this one is you decide where the twist goes. I like it in the middle of my head, but put it on the left, put it on the right. You can put it in the back. It's totally up to you. So if you want to check out any of our Breezy Tee twist stretch headbands, just visit us at breezytee.com or our Etsy shop. Links will be in the description below. Okay, so I've already gotten my Westman Atelier face together, and as per usual, everything I have on my face will be in the description below. There will be some affiliate links there, so thank you in advance if you ever use one of my affiliate links. I really do appreciate it. And one of the things I just wanted to tell you, because I think my last Westman Atelier video was for these complexion drops, just to track back. I'm obsessed with these things. I cannot tell you enough. I wear them. I don't know if I've worn another face product as much since I've gotten these. I love them and I wear them all the time, and I think they're beautiful. I think they have a stunner on their hands, makes my face look great. So I just wanted to follow up with you guys to let you know that it's a product that I adore, I'm wearing now, and yeah, if you like a lighter finish, I absolutely recommend them. So in what's becoming a bit of a holiday tradition for the brand, they're releasing these holiday sets with some limited edition products. It's a year later, and I'm shocked that Bordeaux Lip Suede Compact did not get a wide release. Even though they said at the time, you know, it was limited edition, I thought for sure this is coming out within the year, for sure. And it really never did. It just didn't. So I think it's great marketing. I think it's a great idea that at the holidays, they're gonna, you know, do smaller batches of products, and you get it if you get it. You don't if you don't. It sets up. I like it. I think it's great marketing. I really do. And this is what we have. We have the brand new lit up stick in Petal, limited edition. We also have the brand new Squeaky Clean Lip Balm in Petal. I also believe is limited edition. Then we have Petal the Blush Stick, which is not limited edition. This is one that exists, but the packaging is new. And Petal, they've said is their #1 selling blush stick, which happens to work out perfectly because it's the one I didn't have. When I first chose a blush stick a few years back, I went with Doo. That was the pink I went with. I didn't go with Petal. So I don't have any duplicates here, which is really nice. And yeah, I'm excited to just dig in. I'm gonna give you some comparison swatches in a bit, but let's start with the highlighter. I think I'm gonna start with the highlighter. If you've seen a Westman Atelier video of mine before, you know this is my favorite brand, and they're clean beauty. I don't think I have to tell you guys, but just in case somebody's hearing about Westman Atelier for the first time, they are a clean beauty brand. So this is the package of the new lit up stick in Petal. Okay, I never critique my brands. I feel like I have to whisper. Love them to death, but let me just say, I think that the matte gives a chicness and more of a luxury look than this glossy finish does. I'm not really a fan of these glossier the packaging, I have to say. This was one of the main reasons I love them. The look just looks so chic in this matte finish. So I just wanted to mention that. Let me know in the comments below if I'm alone there, because I get these. I'm not a shiny person. I don't like glossy anything matte. Typically, we're not talking about actual like makeup products, but a glossy finish on thing is just not, I think it loses its chicness, It loses its what makes it special too. So I'm not a fan of these, and I just want to know if anybody feels like that. But this is the packaging for the lit up stick in Petal, and on me it's reading almost like a mauve. It's beautiful. Oh, it even goes on if like a mauve. Now I love wearing lit up sticks below their foundation stick, but especially because it was the first time using it today, I was like, no, I didn't want to come in with any extra glow or any, let's see it together for the first time. Very, very pretty. One of the things I love is every product gives you a just a nice glow, and you pile it on top of each other, and it's never overdone. It does, it's reading mauve in this light to me. So it might look a little bit more pinky when I see it in another kind of, in another kind of lighting. But it is giving me like a nice mauve against my skin tone. Okay, oh, let's put a little here too. Just on the bridge. And then after this, let's do the comparison swatches straight away with the lit up sticks that I have. Okay, so let's quickly get into these swatches, and just a heads up, I will always have photos of swatches, typically in sunlight, unless the universe does not cooperate with me, typically in sunlight, on my Instagram page, so you can head on over, you can follow me, you can visit. A couple of days after I upload a video, I will have swatches of the products up there. So we have this first one now is Parla, okay? Parla is this one. I'm pretty sure Parla 2 was a limited edition situation. Now this is the one I just showed you, the one I'm using now, Petal. Okay, so hopefully you can see like that mauve-ish. Here we have Parla. The next one is Brulee. Okay, we have Brulee here, and Brulee is in this packaging. We have next, I have to look, Nectar. Okay, so Nectar's here, right here on like the bone. And then finally we have the fabulous original lit up stick in lit. That one came in black. You should be seeing the shifting, and I'll include the comparison swatches on Instagram as well. I showed you the packaging, but did I show you the stick? I feel like I didn't. This is the Petal lit up stick. It's a beauty. I'm a little backwards today. I'm tired, forgive me guys. Okay, beautiful, beautiful color. Now why did I swatch Petal like this? Here's Petal, now I have to do the comparison swatches in a weird way too. So this is a beautiful, beautiful pink shade. If you don't know, Petal is Gucci Westman's daughter's name. So she was the inspiration for the shade and now the collection. And here is Petal. Okay. That's really funny how this is the one of the ones I didn't have. So let's get this on the cheeks. Baby Jane energy. But we're gonna blend that out. Really, really, oh, I love my blush sticks. I love blush sticks in general. I've got whatever company comes out. I'm going to be doing a La Bouche Rouge, another favorite clean beauty brand of mine, favorite brand in general, but I'm gonna be doing one soon. Finally trying out a blush stick from them. But I'm a fan of blush sticks. Are you a fan of blush sticks? You prefer powders? The thing with these products, and I'm going to also continue to say, because I'm in my mid 40s, I just love how it feels, it doesn't sink into anything, these cream products, and I just feel like it's really flattering on my skin. I just do, so quite the fan. Oh, I was going to use my baby blender from them. Blend this out. A very pretty color as well. I cannot lie, I cannot lie. I do wear 10 is my shade. It'll be in the description, but since I'm here, in their foundation stick and in the Complexion drops. Okay, we've got our cheeks on. Let me do some comparison swatches of the baby cheeks now. Okay, so my first love here is Doo, and they may look similar, but they are different colors. This is Petal. Oh, this is my one, Chouquette, and then Bichette. Okay, these are the four that I have. Chouquette is just so special to me. Like, it just is, ooh, I love them all, but this in the end might be my favorite because I just like, it's like just a little something on my skin tone, just a little something. So quite the fan, but here are the comparison swatches. Okay, so just quickly, I wanted to show you the two different, so this is the gift set packaging, obviously this one that we're doing now, the Petal Edition, but last year's was this beautiful one, the red one. This was a gift edition, and this is where Parla came from, the highlight stick, the lit up stick that I just swatched for you guys, and I was like, I think this was limited edition. It was in this kit along with the Bordeaux lip suede. So each year we're getting these fun kits, and okay, they have an eye one coming out that I am so excited about. We're gonna get a brand new, I don't remember if it's limited edition, a new iPod Trio. It comes with the I Love You mascara, a full one, and then there's the brand's first kohl eyeliner will be in there too. So there's an eye set still yet to come. Cannot wait. And here is the Petal. See what I mean when it's matte? This is a perfect example because you can see the top and the bottom together. The matte just gives more chic, I cannot lie. This is the new Petal Squeaky Clean Lip Balm. And I always love that you can see the color here. And here is the swatch. Beautiful, beautiful pink color. I didn't even think about doing comparison swatches for these, but I might as well give you comparison swatches once I try this one on. So let me get this on the lips now. So this is a beautiful pink shade, very, very nice. These are not sticky on me at all. I think they feel really pleasant. They feel moisturizing. I'm quite a fan of the Squeaky Clean lip balms. Now, I've been wearing them more and more. I don't remember, I think my initial reaction wasn't so, but I think they're really pleasant on the lips, and I like the amount of gloss that they give me. I still argue that it shouldn't be called a balm. I think it's more of a gloss, but okay. I just wanted to show you the wand because I love how wide it is. It's flexible, easy to use, and one of my favorite details on Westman Atelier products is the Westman Atelier etched inside the caps. Okay, so I've got to look at these. I don't remember the names off the top of my head. This first one is Ma Puce. When the French language and English don't connect with some of these names. So that's the first one. Here's Petal, okay? So this is a bright pink one. Here's Petal. Next up, we have Nana. Here's like a beigey one. Next we have, I think this is my favorite one, Garçon. I love this shade. This is more beyond me. Okay, and then finally here we have a super pale pink in Choo Choo. And I like this one to wear on top of like another lipstick or just a little something on the lip. Okay guys, so that's it for me. Overall, all of them on me just give me, I think, a really pleasant pink, soft look. Someone who's not super into pink, a lot of pinks. I think this is a really nice middle ground, very, very pretty, but not too over the top. I think it gels with my skin tone really, really nicely. So I'm happy with all three products. You know, I'm a fan, so I'm already a fan of the formulas of all these things, so I know I love that, but it always comes down to shade choice at this point. But now it's time to tell me what you think. Did you get this gift set? Do you love it? Are you so with a product or two? Let me know your honest opinions in the comments below. If you are a brown-skinned woman, let me know if you love it on your skin tone. Did everything show up okay? Let me know what you're thinking about this gift set. And that's it from me. As always, guys, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. I really, really appreciate it when you do. And if you want to check out any of our twist stretch headbands, any of our t-shirt, hair towel wraps, satin line beanies, satin line knit beanies, and all our other hair accessories, just visit us at breezytee.com. And for our luxury lifestyle accessories, you can visit us at fraydbybreezytee.com. I will check you guys in the next video. Ciao for now. Bye.